I would request all of you to start your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Welcome to your talent round 3, and of course, the most glamorous one indeed. And I'm sure you guys are going to kill it with those, 60 to 120 seconds that you got. All the very, very best. This should be the most fun round that you guys are going to hold. And I'm sure this is going to kickstart your journey, your dream of becoming Miss or Mrs. India, respectively. So thank you so much. Let's just not delay this anymore. And I'm sure, there is a very exciting show coming forward. So let me just invite our jury members for the day. I would request them to start their video so that we can finally begin. There we have our 3 lovely ladies on the panel. The first, of course, is Shelza Suri, the OG expert of the day, the pageant groomer associated with FCR. Second, we have Sakshi Shekhar, who is also the Majik platter, who has been, giving up all nutrition diets and, of course, the tips and tricks for you guys to get healthier and feel the beauty from inside. And last but not the least, we have our director of Forever Star India, who has been there since the beginning, Miss Kirti Chaudhary. And I'm sure, the ladies are going to take over with their expert reviews today, especially Shelza. Welcome on board, ladies. Thank you so much for being here. And we are extremely delighted and looking forward for your expertise. So if you guys give me a nod, I shall begin.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So the sequence to start on would be Shumona, Aprajita, Rajni, Predita, Sadhna, and Divya. Hi, Shumona.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Thank you, Shumona. Thank you so much. I would request Shelza to comment upon your performance.
Good evening to you, Shumona.
Good evening, ma'am.
Your performance was very nice. I noticed the walk that you did. The only thing that I felt you lacked was a little bit of variation. You could have used your umbrella a little more creatively, but apart from that, you walked well and you carried the attitude. So keep that in mind when you have your next round coming. Be more creative with yourself. Use space, use and your expressions. They speak volumes about you when you're quiet. Okay? All the very best to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you, Shumona. Thank you so much. And next we have Aprajita. Hi, Aprajita.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yes, yes.
Go ahead.
Wait a second. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Aprajita. Thank you so much. And Shelza, over to you again.
Yeah, so Aprajita, you were very good. I loved your hair. You have beautiful hair. You're stout.
Thank you.
And you have very nice body tone. Again, the same observation that you have to be more experimental with your expressions and posing. You know, you walked thrice, but all the 3 times you did not change your pose, right? So every time you come and you pose, especially up front in front of the camera, you must experiment with expressions and poses, both, so that we get to see a different version of you every time. Make the most of this chance that you display yourself online, okay? Because it is going to give you a lot of mileage for the finale. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
keep that in mind, and you were very good. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aprajita. Thank you so much. Next, we have Rajni. Hi, Rajni. Rajni, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajni. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza.
Yeah, so Rajni, you have beautiful skin tone. It's glowy and you have luscious long hair. I wish again, you had used them as props, and walked the ramp with little bit of variation. But otherwise, the walk was nice. And next time onwards, just keep in mind that you can use your hair also as prop when you're walking. You could have taken your hair on one side. You could have posed, right? Sometimes when you pose with a closed smile, like what you did. Next time, it can be the beauty perfect smile, whereby your lower teeth are not visible, but only the upper Invisalign is visible. That is called the perfect beauty smile, right? Like this. Okay,
Yes.
so bring variations in your expressions. You could have been hooty. When you're hooty, you raise your eyebrows, you take a profile, and then you pose, right? So the music was peppy. You could have done that. So next time, be more creative. But you were very nice. God bless
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajni. Next, we have Prerita. Hi, Prerita.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, Harry, ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
I'm very fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prerita. Thank you so much. Shelda, over to you.
Yeah, so Prerita, good evening to you. How are you? Can I know how old are you?
I'm 22-year-old, ma'am.
You're 22 years old. Okay, so Prerita, my observation for you was that you were full of energy, which is so good. You displayed a little bit of variation in your expressions and posing. Again, a very good thing. But always remember that whenever you walk the ramp, you have to walk with firm but light feet. Your heels should not be heard more than the music. Always remember that. Okay, and when you pose, you have to be holding your pose for a little longer so that the jury members can appreciate your stance. Okay, you posed well, but you were very hurried. आप जल्दी में कर रहे थे. So next time, hold your pose longer and walk with closed legs, little closed legs. Okay, when you will see the video, you will realize that you were walking with little wider legs, and that makes your foot fall very strongly on the floor. That causes all the noise made by the heels. So that's it. Otherwise, keep up the good work.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, Prerita. Next, we have Sadhna, and post her the sequence would be Tanya Dubey, Divya, Rani Shah, Janvi, Aishi, and Samita. Hi, Sadhna.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Great. Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadhna. Thank you so much. And Shelda, over to you.
Hi, Sadhana. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
I loved your attitude. You wore the dress that flaunted your firm body line. You did the makeup appropriately. As you came closer to the camera, I noticed that you have put in efforts into styling, your hairstyling, your makeup, and you looked towards the camera and you posed. So you showcased your profile. Very good. Keep up the good work. I am very happy with the way you walked. Just continue practicing more and getting more and more confident. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sadhna. Thank you so much. Next, we have Tanya. Hi, Tanya.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking, and you can begin.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you so much. Shelda, over to you.
Hi, Tanya. You were very good with your ramp walk. I just loved it. I love the way you took the 360-degree turn and the way you were moving from waist downwards and walking with a lot of grace, using your length of your legs appropriately. So a very good job done there. All the very best. Continue the hard work and may you rise and shine.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Tanya. And next we have Divya. Jury members, there are two Divyas. I mean, there is one Divya and this one is Divya with a V. So just to avoid the confusion. Hi Divya, how are you?
हेलो मैम
आप कर दीजिए please.
मैम प्लीज मुझे नेक्स्ट ले सकते हैं, थोड़ा लाइटिंग प्रॉब्लम है तो।
We can hear it from Rani Shah then. Hi Rani.
थैंक यू मैम।
Rani, can you please start your video and audio?
हेलो, एक मिनट मैम, मैं थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक लगा लूं ना उसके बाद।
आपका वीडियो ऑफ है, बाकी कोई इशू नहीं है।
हेलो मैम।
हेलो रानी, आप रेडी हैं?
मैम।
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
हेलो रानी।
हाय मैम।
रानी, आपने बहुत सुंदर ड्रेस पहना है, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल एंड यू मैच्ड इट वेरी वेल विद द ज्वेलरी एंड मेकअप, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे वो तभी दिख रहा है जब आप बिल्कुल कैमरा के पास आके बैठे हैं। सो आप जब नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि आपका फुल लेंथ एट आई लेंथ दिखना चाहिए। आपने जैसे शायद कैमरा नीचे रखा हुआ है फ्लोर पे, सो अगर रूम छोटा है और आपको लगता है कि आपकी पूरी कंप्लीट बॉडी लाइन की विजिबिलिटी नहीं है, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो गो आउटसाइड। आप कॉरिडोर में चले जाइए, आप बाहर किसी लॉन में चले जाइए या किसी रोड पे चले जाइए, वहां जाके आप कर सकते हैं। यू कैन ऑलवेज एक्सपेरिमेंट, बट आपका कंप्लीट दिखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। आपने अच्छा वॉक किया, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि आप का फ्लोर पे था तो आई कुड नॉट अप्रिशिएट यू कंप्लीटली। ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप प्लीज ये बात याद रखें। ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Rani. Thank you so much. Next, we have Janvi. Hi, Janvi.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Janvi.
Hello, ma'am.
So आपका जो लाइट अभी आपने ऑन किया है जब आप बैठे हैं यहाँ पर,
हाँ
तो पहले क्यों नहीं किया जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे?
लाइट ऑन ही था मैम।
अच्छा, लाइट ऑन था, क्योंकि जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे तो शायद आप अगेंस्ट द लाइट वॉक कर रहे थे, तो आपके फेस पे एक्सप्रेशंस जो है वो दिख नहीं रहे थे। तो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर, व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग, कैमरा जो है वो फेस पे लाइट होना चाहिए, okay, so that we can see the complete expression when you're walking. Otherwise aap achhe the, you were good, but unfortunately because of less of light I could not see your expressions. You can also be a little more experimental with your posing. आपने कुछ poses repetitively किए, but आपकी walk बहुत confident है. You walk with straight legs and very firm feet, which is very good. So ये दो चीजें आप याद रखेंगे. All right, all the very best to you.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Janvi. Next, we have Aishi, and post her, the sequence would be Samidha, Abhigna, Namrata, and Divya. Hi, Aishi.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just tell me if the music is audible? Then I'll start.
Sure. Thank you, Aishi. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelda.
Hello, Aishi. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good. How are
Good
you?
evening, and you are looking beautiful in this lovely dress, and I quite like the variations that you gave at posing. आपने बहुत सारे poses किए. You gave us a profile, you gave us a front, you gave us a back look. You were wearing correct heels, and you walked very well. The only thing that I felt was you could have held your poses a little bit longer. Otherwise, it was very nice. So next time when you're posing, थोड़ा सा hold करो so that we can appreciate you, but your expressions were good, you walked well, and you look beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aishi. Thank you so much. Next, we have Samidha. Hi, Samidha. Samidha, आप mute पे हैं.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah.
Thank you, Samida. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hi, Smita.
Hi, ma'am.
You were very good. I quite like the way you created that drama with, someone getting the camera closer to your face and then taking it away. And I believe the person was walking along with you while you were walking. So very creative there. Yeah, very creative there. And everything was very nice. It's just that when you crossed the door, unfortunately, there was a little darkness and I couldn't see your expressions. But otherwise, you held the poses well, you walked well, your dress was appropriate, and you gave good variation and poses. So keep up the good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Samida. Next, we have Abhigna. Hi, Abhigna.
Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Are we ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Go ahead. All the best.
Yes. Yeah, ma'am. Done. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhigna. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hi, Abhigna. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. I'm fine. How about you, ma'am?
Very well, thank you. So, Abhigna, you walked well. Everything was nice. You tried giving variation in your poses also. The only thing where I felt that you could improve a little was your energy level. Okay? There has to be a lot of energy when you walk. There has to be a certain kind of firmness in your body. Okay? A little bit of zinginess in your walk. So, that somewhere I felt was a little low. But otherwise, it was a good performance. So, all the
Thank you.
best to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhigna. Thank you so much. And next, we have Namrata. Hi, Namrata.
Hi Harry, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you.
Great. Let's get started.
Absolutely.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. Over to you, Shelza.
Hi, Namrata.
Hi Shalja.
So tell me, what is your observation about your walk? After having walked, what did you feel about it?
I think I'm confident and I think I just tried doing some variations in between. Not sure you liked it or not, but yes.
Great. Yes. No, I quite like the way you've juxtaposed the whole jacket thing with your dress, and you tried using it as a prop, which is really, really nice. The only thing is that you need to look more confident. If you feel confident, you also need to show people that you're confident. Okay. You did everything right, but that aura of confidence was missing. So when you are next time practicing, look into the mirror and tell yourself, I'm the one who deserves the crown, and walk, and you see how the walk changes. Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, Namrata. And we have the last performer of the day, Divya. Hi, Divya. Can we have your walk now?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Thank you, ma'am. I'm fine.
Great. Let's get started.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divya. Over to you, Shalza. Shalza, आप mute पे हो.
Hi Divya, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. So what I love the best about your walk is that you have balanced your walk with your proportionate smile. That is so beautiful to look because you know it exudes a lot of confidence when we look at someone who balances the walk well with the measured confident smile. So I quite enjoyed watching you do the ramp walk. So all the very best to you. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divya. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much, ladies, for putting up such a wonderful, glamorous show. And now I would like the juries to, give their last words of wisdom and, of course, the expertise. Shelza, who better than, you to begin with? So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Harry. I think I've right from start, I've been giving them a little bit of tidbits here and there. I gave it today also to all the contestants. So the only thing that I insist upon when we walk is that, you cannot isolate attributes of yourself when you're walking. It cannot be that you only either look beautiful or you wear just the right dress or your makeup and hair is perfectly fine or you're wearing a very appropriate heel. It has to be a very good blend of everything. Okay, what are we looking at when we're looking at the contestants at a pageantry when they're walking? We're looking at them as packages, okay, as finished personalities. How do they come across as complete personas? And who will finally take away the crown? Someone who stands out in the crowd. So you have to make your personality such in the manner that when you walk into the arena, just your presence makes everybody turn around and looks at you. Okay, so ramp walk ko isolation mein mat dekho. You have to make yourself a complete package. Okay, and your expressions, they play a very, very important role because at pageantry you only get chances to speak thrice. One is your introduction, one is if you want to give a prelude to the talent round, third is when you do the question answer round. But apart from that, your presence at the pageantry, while you're practicing, when you're on stage, off stage, when you're interacting with your co-contestants, with the organizers, with the mentors, you are constantly being watched. Okay, and it cannot happen that you give a performance or a certain kind of show up when you're just on stage and when you get down, you're back to being normal. Okay, so this transformation has to be constant and a permanent one. We are looking for a public figure, okay, someone who exudes confidence, inspiration in others, okay, who, when sets in the crown, gives messages to people that yes, this is the forum, this is the portal where you can come and change lives. So create that kind of an aura. Even when you're walking the ramp, walk with that invisible crown, walk like a queen. Don't walk like a contestant. The day you walk like a queen, you will have that crown on your head. So think like a winner. All of you must think that, yes, I am worthy of the crown and I am the one who's going to take it. And you see how you change working towards your goal, how you change in terms of your mannerisms when you're walking on the stage. Everything will change. So every day now onwards, till the time you go to your finale, think like a queen. Think that you own the crown. You are going to come back with the crown, and you see how life changes. Okay, the preparation is more internal than external. It's only when you come to terms with yourself internally, when you tell yourself that I'm worthy enough and I'm going to give my 110% for it, you actually go out and achieve it. Okay, so this is my little bit of advice, and all of you were very, very good. All of you were there, except for little here and there that I already explained. So thank you so much, Harry, for having me.
Thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure having you here and listening to your insights. Now, of course, let's move to the person who would be, nobody better than her to give the insights onto what your postures were and why they were incorrect. Sakshi, over to you.
Hi, beautiful ladies. You've made my evening with these beautiful walks that I have seen right away. Shahza, thank you so much. This insight was, beneficial for me also. I've learned a lot today. Well, ladies, as Shahza mentioned, that it is not only about your external thing, but also internally, how you have to groom yourself. And my personal giveaway is that you have to groom yourself by eating well throughout these few months that you are about to, prepare yourself. So prepare yourself internally also, make sure you're sleeping well, you're practicing, of course, but you have to get your sleep well, because if you, get your beauty sleep, you will grow naturally. Also have green juices every day from now on starting. You can have cucumber juices, detox water, probably a lemon, cucumber, ginger addition to your water will actually help your skin glow. Have a lot of water. Also, before you come for any kind of, a pageant or even such talent rounds, make sure you have a bit of black coffee or dark chocolate. It will give you that immediate boost of energy. Some people were a little low, some were nervous. So once you get that right, your black coffee or your little bit of dark chocolate right, you will feel that immense rush of, energy in your body, and you'll perform really well. A few tips, to go about, add a good amount of vegetables and fruits in your diet from now on. And obviously, I mentioned water and sleep. Do not stress. Stress will show on your face at the end of the time when we are about to get crowned, and we don't want any wrinkles coming on the face. So keep glowing, guys. And if you need any personal assistance, you can reach me out personally too. I would help you there. A lot of ladies have come up on Instagram to ask questions. You can connect to me there, and we can, give a one-on-one session and answer your queries too. All the very best. And thank you, Harry, for having me here.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. I've shared Sakshi's and Shelda's, both of their Instagrams, into the chat box. Make sure you guys have a look and take a screenshot, and of course follow them on their respective platforms. They have a lot more to offer than these just 5 minutes of insights. Thank you so much, Shelda. Thank you so much, Sakshi. It was an absolute honor having each one of you here, and I shall take your leave. Have a lovely evening ahead.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you so much.